I can make you happy. I can make you happy. Yes, I can. I can make you happy. I can make you happy. I can make you happy. I really can. Now wait and hum a little song. You're coming round to my house. Round the corner won't be long. You're on your way to my house. Following the streets and signs. I can make you happy. I can make you happy. I can make you happy. Yes, I can. I can make you happy. I can make you happy. I can make you happy. Really can. I can hear you at the door. I wait a bit to answer. I can't wait anymore. I've gotta take a chance. I'm following the
24시간만 지나도 가시의 형태는 갖춰져 있고요.
can make you happy. I 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 can make you happy. Yes, I can. I can.
그건 아닙니다.
make you happy.
No.
I can make
젖을 먹이는 기간에는 모종이 지속된다고 보시면 되는데요. 7주 이 정도 되면은 더 이상 젖을 먹이지 않으려고 하고 어미의 모종은 더 이상 없다고 봐야 되겠습니다.
make you happy.
벌써 몇 번째 돌아서네요. 그냥 모르는 척 웃어가면서 아무 말 없이 내 맘을 속여봐도 그대 내 맘 몰라 해.